Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain?
Hi everyone, it's Keisha the Crafty Planner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my social media planner. I use the Planner Babe vertical layout planner for my social media planner. I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm going to jump back in today, and I am going to be planning for the week of June 1st through the 7th. So I'll go ahead and take these pages off of the disc. Now for this week, I have pulled out the goals sticker book, and that's what I'm going to be using to create this spread. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I like how it turned out. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the disc. And as I said before, this is my social media planner, so I am planning to get back on schedule with my YouTube videos. I'm planning on relaunching my planner magazine, Paper Planner Essentials. And so you'll be able to see a new edition of that in the coming days. So I'm working with my team today to get the plans finalized. And so you'll see something about that coming up in my social media feeds. So, all right, guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.